Okay, super excited about this trip to Belfast, Maine, where I'll be experiencing some amazing smoked salmon at Ducktrap. Belfast is a lovely spot to visit during the spring and summer and is a gem of a town in Maine. It's full of history, and folks here are some of the friendliest you'll ever meet. You'll find plenty of ways to have fun outdoors, and let's not forget the seafood here is absolutely to die for. If you're a fan of smoked salmon, you've come to the right place right here in Belfast, Maine at the Ducktrap facilities, and we're going to be making a big tour just now. Come on. Entering a food facility requires protocols to avoid cross-contamination. At Ducktrap, they take wearing a safety and hygiene gear seriously. Okay, let's protect the product. Let's start with the shoe protectors or clean boots, clean long jacket, hairnet and mask, plastic apron, and gloves. I'm here with the Ducktrap team and about to show you the process and care that is taken with the newest product out on the market, lightly smoked salmon. And as I enter, I found this blend of real fruitwoods and hardwoods. This will be part of the smoking step that gives Ducktrap's product a delicious taste and aroma. Let's dive in to learn more about their process. This is coming in, this is Atlantic salmon?
Yes, yeah.
From Norway?
Chile,
okay. So this is the beginning process. The salmon comes in and gets washed, gets trimmed, and then salt is applied. Okay, Katie, please tell us about the difference in salt for lightly smoked and cold or hot smoked product.
We do two different types of salt mixtures. The cold smoked has some seasoning in it. The lightly smoked is purely salt. And it sits on the fillet a lot shorter of a time than it does on cold smoke.
We are entering the Brining cooling station. After cooling time with the salt applied, the salmon is heading to the debrining room.
We add that salt, it's going to enhance the smoky flavor, helps pull out some moisture during the curing process. So when you're cooking it, you don't have a lot of moisture coming out of it.
It feels almost cathartic to get the salt off of it and clean it up with a hose. It like instantly feels like this cleanliness process, almost like you're washing the soap off the car. You know, that final scrub, the final spray, and everything's shiny and clean and beautiful.
The salmon is about to be lightly smoked. And the difference in smoking temperature is important to avoid fully cooking the salmon. Now, hot smoked salmon is typically smoked at temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. However, when it comes to lightly smoked salmon, you'll want to keep the smoking temperature below that threshold. This ensures that the smoke flavor infuses the salmon without fully cooking it. Once this is achieved, it's ready to be cooked at home for about 30 minutes to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Talking about bringing this home, let's move on to the next step. After it comes back from being smoked, the salmon is portioned and packed with care. There's so much involved, and every step shows care and hard work in preparing every single lightly smoked salmon portion before you can pick it up from your favorite grocery store. Throughout the entire process, Ducktrap makes sure you get a high quality product, making sure safety measures are in place every step of the way. What you get in return is an excellent product that is ready to be cooked and ensures you have an amazing experience with this lightly smoked salmon. Now that our visit to the Ducktrap facility has come to an end, let's make sure that the lightly smoked salmon arrives safely to your local stores.